baby ho obedi ni said ye ne ho ma enti say ono catch you say da bi o kwatie ne nko ama mani nje enti fo ano bomu a pepesa me catch you odifo bi a o tim say eni baburu ba bi a chansem hunu no a ye de ahye ya adwene mu say wo yire no afufuo na wudi na otafo chansi no mu a na say wudi wie no no so se tafo me pepesa me catch you say baburu no to ba bi
wa se ho den ne ho a ukunu tafra ebe ha wo kama minti
say you bebe ye no demo.
Oh yes, Reverend. For you, papa.
Suppose you say, I go for Bana Netino. Baby and any gauge and sad. You went. Bible say the America won't many points. Every as will be angry with the finish. Miniskirt a year must of for year, but a year must of for year I want a bedroom. Because the man if you up on Tanama Pinium and the bad man free up on Tim Refi who crash pressure upon ever. 100 degrees on. And what they banjo, but no most of mammy for a second or two. Tell me a shot I gave you, none of mammy for 2 miniskirting. Wash a short t-shirt to be show your never nothing food, nothing no more. So for bar, pressure now, woman about 10.
I was from a memory now called Poko TV on a good soa ocean na ene me kasa me papa ba kwa opema sempa mzu pena sempa na se ne ohunu wo mfoni mu de me sure say wa huna a lot of times with TV so it's and say obi kura betumi aka say nye papa we na yisi ni no odo a no ye so fu pani pa tum so wura asini adwuma nim no or the software adwuma no oye usini mu ama nkofo mu sa mpanyankopon ne so no ekura ni mu a ana so okura nyame so ni mu atin sa no odin pa usafo me ne Reverend James Kwaku Boateng and na ye share e ba wetu nkomo esebre o wa e be di ho nkomo nti ene entra na ya muama bibi asoje kama mama papa kwa bana fi ya ntoa edumedians papa mwa kwa ba
ya nana
ya wako ne
already adom aswe
ya ko pada roma
ya the Christian say
ko fota kai ni movie bia ye pa romantic father Obrayo ko o se mi fi Mumbai na mi ko
yes just
oh nice but papa no mo so she tuntum me ba ma beti se ani bra be fi
yeah me she tuntum fi se me mami efri mo last year November no na mami efri nti December no mo 11th December na mde 1 week
okay
and say March 7th na me na yi
next month day 7th March
taka be me dem na watch.
Oh, okay. But you're the very one.
You be no baro, uko bara. Ufri Kumasi ko ejuswa. Drew kwa
okay.
Left. Na so uko adakujachi.
Okay.
Adakujachi tikrum. Na uko bikrum baro. Na ufri Johnson de baswa Drew kwa ubefe nifa.
Okay.
Taxi jeji na onu mwa ukasa uko mba cry pa baro.
Okay.
Te mikrum wa ya Kumasi go tie.
Eze kwa nsheda.
I make perform for here within 25 minutes.
All right, the team baby away free bia so ye to safro say also fa when mo nyambete trace and say you see the idea to the nanya no ana yi na yesu yenkuja timisrewo a wa heni sini ni weni agye ne ho bi emre dru so so be kire ne do ni na say me dey edim dey to so 7th of March baro na baro eho
ya na contradictio begro a friend saying Eastern region
okay
and away about Masukoti
masi ya timisrewo we do adakoja achinya nche wona we do busa o taxis you wa do be kona bia ka so wa hian entibra na so be kire o dokesi afa kire Reverend na bibia so nyeka Reverend wadawuma yete wonka na wo sofo dada but ya na obia so woni journey ekwan ya ofa so a nyankopon de frɛ no nyame dwuma enafom but wo de no sha se free himfa nkasa
me friend no de me sha se free mama na ene se many friend de no me nya 5 years na papa na mama ka kire me se omukọ on se Roman for bibia fe no assumption ye ya no mo so am statute no mo de call
Okay.
ɛboɔ ho afiri cathedral na ɔmo de kɔ boɔ
Yeah.
nti ɔmo kɔ boɔ ho na reverend father na wɔ invent boɔ ho ne yɛfrɛ no reverend father Tawia Yesre
Okay.
wɔyɛ blessed memory nyankopɔn ma no baabi ntra father Tawia na ɛka kyerɛ me maame sɛ onyankopɔn hyɛ nso nka nkyɛn sɛ wɔbɛwɔ akwadaa bi na saa akwadaa no wɔde ne bɛyɛ adwuma na akwadaa no bɛyɛ te sɛ ne nanansɛ so ɔka me nanansɛ so a na ɔka me papa
Okay. No, so yes, of
me papa no wɔn na di Rome asɔre ba so ame wɔn na te asɔre nti wokɔ so ame Holy Rosary Catholic Church wa foundation stone na ɛbɔ anim hɔ no ɛyɛ me nana ne di yɛde me to no ɔpanyin James Kwaku Boateng
Okay.
ɔna wɔn ti ɛma yɛwoo me no menya 5 years ne ɛka kyerɛ me nti me started me missions no 5 years
Okay.
5 years me kɔtena baabi na mebɔ mpaeɛ based on that nti kɔ advance na manko school sad na nti because by the time I say payment me go school kwan yes makɔ baabi mission kura mebɔ mpaeɛ ni that lot ha nti me hyɛ aseɛ sɛdeɛ bigyan ne tiɛ no wɔ Catholic Church.
Okay. Okay. Na also ko Bible mu a Jeremiah nom saa na ye hye omo nkom se omo da omo na ye mu no kura na Nyankopɔn afọ omo de omo ba be adwuma na se wo de ne saa pepe na
me de sana me friend ye.
Okay.
Nti me de na true prophecy.
Okay.
Me ni friend ye ka kyerɛ me. Nti all my life no and one year adwuma me
na se wo share so for bia se da
me nkɔ hyɛ obi ase.
So obi ka se bia we am spiritual father on net tete me
me ho se me fro obi father na say we Methodist asɔfo mpanyimfo ne asɔfo mpanyimfo na me am friend but nye father say ona etwenu.
Okay. But any you know so wo Baptist mo obi a ye Catholic say na wo kan o background Catholic e dey na be Baptist
say the koye ne say on say Catholic Church no by the year 1999-98 no na no prophetic no nsensen bebrebe nti time ma many friend ye no me wo na me wo as evangelist.
Okay.
Catholic Church wo baso am Roman your freku be Legion of Mary and Legion of Mary no mu ye ne tete sa ko ni na this one na me massive got to a point I'm a massive for 35 years.
Wow.
Wow. Me odi post baby on say I know I had am frame massive deep pan here night of the blessed sacrament.
Okay.
Any need for this lecture no. Until got to a time so for biba baby I'm making no say prophetic in me in churches no me invite me no me on say Catholic Church ni or subi or aswani mo kind doctrine on say we are Catholic na so kwa aswani kwa o Methodist one ko confession na won't me go communion.
Yeah.
Because almost say Protestant churches need na no. So Protestant churches need na no aswani nkaye apart from Catholic no. Until no they don't even regard anything about say we aswani one time be na so for be onukra wo no aswani community center na so for watching program no de me na me so me di kan ko seminary na me Catholic Church mu no Academy of Missions and Theology.
Okay.
So for na what school no Intercessory Chapel International Full School. Bishop and school near friend no Bishop David Agis Ayeti.
Okay.
So papa no me ni share ko me programming nti ya hoso na ye call lectures na ye de clerical set and na call lectures. But I want to cry in school no more ordination. Mammy, I ordained me because of Catholic Church in T. But I want no more a graduate me as an evangelist.
Okay.
Because of Catholic Church in T. And T so for no confirm picture the choir poster. And penny phone back who cut poster the bureau. No, the bachelor father than all then time. Say, yes, Metias or ya, must say, and yes, na the clerical set and
and I would have programs on the program.
Yeah, frame me in short no. I won't pay for any name to catch them say two options normally mammy. Either say me first one one answer a jumana yanko point jam na me major. At me catch them say any part of matter yanko point matter. The almost suma and yan na me because me akasa no rather shame some moment as well man. Ya catch them na me sa. Nti minister what I go with you. Nti some say prophetic ministry near contrary to a church in the doctrine. That's what I'm saying. And they has communicated me from the church. So because why even any mamma,
The Catholic Church pamo.
Sadamaka.
Yeah, ben.
Oh, we 2001, 2002.
Because we say we are prophetic near manual.
And then a Catholic, prophetic number, as like I say, on that time, now too heated because that time, now Christian Hope Ministry, Dr. Akobwa,
yeah,
tea in fellowship, oh, she, and see now challenges speed in mind because if you know me as a doctor, and and I feel up and say, Dr. Kotina, sorry. No, it's not a Catholic charismatic really wedding. I know a storekeeper or so you like based on. And see now am I head and I two suspicion say suspicious say the TV and but now quite victim now in through that because of charismatic sacrificial lamb.
Because me kai pa say enye Roman Catholic nko Orthodox churches no bit say Methodist Assemblies of God because there was an issue with set for impons over kaya blessed memory also shall say with charismatic ye frame pipe on the Assemblies of God and almost communicating it because any doctrine no ain't shut down for Abaka fra banya minim yo
Baptist.
Okay. Na ye dwuma de wa ya ache. But come here say baby a nkofo sha ase hu ye pa ebi I stand to be corrected though. Ebi screens so o sha ase say o kesi ni. Then asa connection by because we so for
connection by director Isaiah Kofi Appiah.
Okay.
Married to CC US. USCC America say that Isaiah and it discover me. Na me man back on na what that Isaiah Papa fee. To one time be na me nene okwa ya dia man fee na ekoshia that Isaiah okro no. Ti edi di go na director so say features no e wo. On na dwuma wo ye no. And wo ye say me mo ho pa say rade man kwan.
Okay.
What the base nti mbebo ho pa ye na rade she say me mfa side on fa evangelism. And Tim Kokache director say already am green light no. Na me Kokache the church authorities so na me kwan.
Okay.
Say me koye just ma me koye see bia impre rubia be contrary to bia Christian dogma you know.
Okay.
And to be very careful about na me so selective about the movie na how I see am acting. Ti na director me start here or the me try my first movie also me fi. Many President Bela Samoa and the Bishop Bernard Nyabo and Christian Uli.
Wow. Now, said that now because we selective, most times you who play a software. Was there a time I switch from a software you man could be differently?
But I catch me say, you can't acting is a who portray be existed. And now at the same time also ye be I will be here for two their movie. And you can't say character no with me I be only say same quiet them pass on asem bit my yeah. But no a caution kakra the caution I know it's like I say I'm not for first need say asem pa and most of the time who to play Ruby visit the audience and I just say well target say where be for and that I can say you bet me I be between I be for you we are near Casa Wetchy. Now my phone is yes, na me down also for and also shame me. The other time also shame.
And to rule Ben or do play to with a challenging pass, switch me from me
that I'm not praying up your commission. Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. You know, say, it's your mama focus. No, that I don't attack us was no for Bible. No, I said, we are very good. Yeah, I was off. And now, my director.
Last time, no one knows that.
No one said that. Me, I said, no, none of cranny shape, no more. Serious, I'm very. On say, Obia, or wash it. I send some because why, but to me, Obia, we walk wash it, and said, they make free by answer na woman. You want them back me, and I don't want to show you. Even I hear something.
Okay.
We are restricted on so many things. Won't me shut down show. Me no means Say one fans and omo dey abaro.
Ana
Omo
wode
dey
ya ma
abaro na
ana o
omo dey digu a friends biato. Na biato an so group dey. Omo say na yeah, abaro na dey be dey say
ana active very well.
yeah, active very well.
So ko listen.
Active very well. And Nana Safo, Oji.
Yeah.
Oji so Dimitra, the pastor. And also now me a fake pastor.
Okay.
Now me a fake pastor. Now me a man and you na dey Trump so dey but
About so no about that.
but later on and such I buy.
Okay.
Me ready sanjim.
Okay.
Nti my baby bia na obra okuya.
Yeah, koye yeah no yeah.
What is a romantic father? No, so a movie be a director to me. And me third movie. Same title romantic father. Now I'm a Roman father. I'm a bishop cry.
Yeah.
And now I'm President Bill. I'm President Bill, a Roman father, and I'm Mama Brian, a Roman sister. Woman and net was
Okay.
But a year channel. Nay, the romantic father now. And I started a romantic father, romantic father. I move from romantic father.
Oh, okay. Only Apostle John Brown when the bass in name first.
Hey, Apostle John Brown, so no, you can't see or a professor.
Okay.
Better than me and amiibo. Oh, me than here. Oh, I don't have so much work. Because now you because I saw from room just in answer me. I'm here catching.
Oh, okay.
Better some buy and member 2012.
Okay. Because I said we are basset so taking the Nkofo can say I said we are threat the man Apostle John Brown because the way are now acting on say new class Apostle John Brown into me future to cry Reverend James Hall because then Nkofo
Apostle Brown to me any competitor where me senior. Movie moon where me senior on so men such as me name about me and me answer. We are so bit me share be an open as Apostle Prap myself.
Okay.
The many share, you know, many Apostle Price name baby. That day between that day, that was my first day. Many Apostle Pra, a camera anymore. Okay. So I'm moving the crown, no baby, no mountains in Tino Crown. When train and no automatic. Remember, lead character.
Okay.
I was a pastoral role, no. At the apostle. Apostle there, many non compete anything.
Okay.
Many apostle competition.
Okay.
Yeah, na different perception. And na one very careful. Na create enmity. At the aba. We are say the ne udi penny ne fan penny man. Move mu de. Apostle for or pania. Okra ya apostle.
Na nyame djuma mu so
Oh, nyame djuma ni minim bra o se ono ndi ase.
Okay.
Na bit ma basa bia ono no me ni onka ni years or the year nyame djuma ma me na ono na djuma na we ni different from me.
Okay.
Apostle proud that apostolic you know we but me so more prophetic and teachings nti me the ne ono dia ne different so nti you compare na say what dey amako e kwa compare Apple.
Okay. There is one thing that ubitwesi ni die I'm sure say OTTV na Ghana for bebre na kase sinifo na nkasa na sebi omo na exhibiting different places ewo ayim ewo sebi invitation ayede ma omo yesi bi wo kra omo sem ikodum pempen so bi e man na omo kase o hwimbre bi wo woto boy be kire sebi ukunu bi a afi na be wa na be kire bo so bi a be hwim no na fi oba ni we nka papa wura mu no hu sa ne mai bi o
me be hu sa ne mai na hu se dana nipa don bi ehia kakra na se brotena this are ne mai hu de wo boso ina ne bi wa sori mo and na Jesus say me dey atembo e free me fie na ona wa me fie for no sentiments won ya ona obonten ne be si won senti no nipa bi ehia ba ko mi na mi ensa obehu sa differences ne o me tan we me pe we na me dey na dey bia me kan se ni na ne wusu no ban a wo de enemo so wo no benya asama na efru no benya asama na efru ba sa that no me hu dey say community bi na say group bi na say society bi no we one of those things that happen say we movie industry ni mu enya me wanwa enya de bi a enya wanwa and Matthew Macau ne Nasani asofo kura shi akra obi kura timi obi ge.
Asofo. Oh, really?
Kura mo jiji.
Reverend. Asofo mutimi
asofo be a man of God, onya God of man.
So there is one before God.
Yes.
The man never be our
So be mindset.
Na let na still na Nyankopon sade sa impact the sade man o man.
I'm sure what Nyankopon o Nyankopon ya o de ade ma wa wanje.
Okay.
Ebi si your Bible time Peter ko to say nipa bi Jesus ni e hyenkom no. Ka che Jesus e brade akwati se obi di hyenkom. Yankopra won mana. Jesus obi ene kono mo betimi di media hyenkom no de media ya ho ade asayare ya bre kro no be ka me wansam bone. Ti de on kasa ntia no no wa yafa.
Okay.
Let's not forget also say Jesus is here for no money 12. No me 72.
Yeah.
And at that time Jesus Christ didn't nipa duan ni moja be ya nom de ne aduane amom no. Ene ma nipa no
be free.
15 ko enti adom na ode ma ebinim no ma wanye. Na problem na wo kakra ni say achede bi Nyankopon de ache obi onam so do aten. So ache wa yesa ma chede ya wo de fa convince and fa pe ma fa dia ko se mo no kan re. But one thing is say we are unguided. The moment I be unguided, the pen na sama take place. Enti adoma chede enso te say enwo one can share better.
Yeah.
And I quite an first of my card much at the nation. One of first of a council and also button in Ebra. So be at Tibiano Unyanko, say, yes, and so Bemia, Miss Bebel. In the letter, me say, no, me no, and the radio frame, and watch actually. Actually, no, the audience will be a one because we will attend that. Nana say, oh, the audience be you may. Now, maybe the enemy better pass abasa. The bedroom baby no, me mad much again, a better. Two benny, be meaning. And you never go on Yanko for the young family.
Yeah.
I want to do Jebem.
Okay.
But what I'm
do I say say the end of form
to be was say what take money na say name ko yi ma wa hwe so Onyankopon Onyankopon ya wa saka Nyankopon and no be ha by gifted pa no din se na Onyankopon rensa but at time abon something sub account obi no so that say that want something in sub account obi no enti e bi na ye la so ele na ma hopes ni moti any penance moti asrefi on mo fafa ma no mudin se no baba nti ona wanga somewhere na wanko even uwo ba yesa mo wangubi baba ne mani no wuye baba nso wi nti wo tete ne bone ma ya furu dia bodo ndo ma usa sa na tenti ana sanya man de ya na Nyankopon hwo
Mate papa o my insight pa na because of say a arrangement in mention and how mayor KMA wabeka asembi we a creative person tina me busa asasemo o say kaya on say yes creative school senior high school no onya akonya any fellow central for ni bididi nkomo na omo busa na ho asem no say asade no da susio ade no kra de ye mfanye before for misplaced priority senior high school say creative as if na wo bi as nya ya te creative as senior high school ebi bi wo ba bia o say ebi ni ba bia wo wi as ti sa de no kwa de mfanye ade foforo wo de wo ye creative aspect
to Nigeria.
Oh really? Enti sa comment no hu ne say
on say nimdie on eni sua hu sua kakra dem ba ya na nipa ntimi hu sua hu no enko na nimdie eso enko na de ya wonim hu bibi no o kasa ho edu be na so of my de chew and se bi ade bi ni ba bia ebi ntimi free baby se baby timi free baby ansa na ko baby and for him to say ye de ye den yen free ho se came a boss in the cancer seven so on your creative your friends creative friends art your friends person and your money in
but about who say and senior high school ye na cha nkora no na ye work creative senior high school I didn't kora ni fam umbenyini no na acting craftsmanship and say any money na
on the first no go school na aircraft
yeah
by na say money na creative friends and
yeah
I don't think you know what can have been but na been in parliament say maybe because I said the parliament house na you debate I don't think 10 ministers need be soon in the
yeah
I think I can't say any farmers law for we don't be Yes, you be can yaka.
Okay.
So no you care me boss. Or your creative fact.
Yeah. All right, my name Reverend James Kubuati and Education Company. You so I can say a year no Airbus for the 7th of March. Bauro. Asante Mantewe. Adakwajachi yewe okwa juzo onu juzo kra adakwajachi kotokobia kotokofo a training you know no junction so do through a taxi for also call Bauro omo ebechro pato Saturday here was 7th March. Saturday a day now here was sinifuo mumra anyumtufuo mumra asofo mumra odi afa ne se wo hwe ni sini ye ofe bra be kire do wo sika bready. This is the time but sika gu I reverence so asa ye wo sika fo bebre o atwe de bi kwa invite bu kwanso boba aha ti bi slow eni die kwanso e bia ye nhye da hunu wakache na ye ma ho a emfa nhye otom si ye yimu da bi ye nyi hu fa reverend hodo na nyame adom Saturday we mami u eni asem so de ano de ne papa de nsie oba pani na uncle daddy na reverend so intimi to an jumede so tie hwe nim so beba na bibia kama reverend yakọ na ndu ya Valentine's Day ba so ana mo hu videos bebre wa bonte na hu so fo mi no ba ko ye Baptist so fo pani ba ko ana ba ko se ye Apostle Francis Amwakwata omo se mo kan nyina ne se wo oba na onu ukunu te na ko ba se ukunu oba no ehye ni kunu se baabi edru miwura enye enamu asem nko a ewo se sebi manimu apabo ni ma also otafere mase a asofo mienu ise ye because ni bible be bia tia se be mantimi sebi ema na yira enem obey asofo mpanifo mienu ena ka se we
Mention that thing for your man dear.
mi ya be kwa kire
se wo yire no aduane si ho a se wudi wudi wie na nkwan o ha wontumi ntafuro ayo no now watch this so wontumi ntafuro chance now watch this mama bi fan show mutirim ne ntia wade ni bi egu na ma ne mu bimtirim se oba bi ho a obedi ni se de ne ho ma enti se ono ka twa se da bi o kote ne nko ama mani nje etifo ano bomu a pepesa me ka kire odifo bi a o tim se eni baburu ba bi a chansem hunu no a ye de ahye ya adwene mu no se wo yire no afufuo na wudi na otafo chance no mu a na che wudi wie no no so se tafora me pesa me ka to se fa babro to ba bi
hallelujah wa se ho den ne wo ho a ukunu tafora ebe ha wo kama minti den ne wo ho mo se den ne wo ho dan wo e ho nya den won kan e ho nti hot wajare fine wunware ya na wunware wajare nti wo so beta afre ho ase kwasi ne mame nko siesie me homra wo siesie ani mu ha sese wo siesie kire ho so kama asem bia ni ho me kwahye ne se ade ye se ye die nya sa na ye kan ye di konkonte wi a ayo ano ye ntafrim e de asem so kra ye di konkonte wi ntafra ayo ano
But a Baptist assemblies.
a Baptist
And I'll say, I said, my dear, I said, more. In your room from a marriage council.
Okay.
I say there are certain issues we on and yes, straight. And my Bible says about catch say. Yes, say Bible aka na say upusua and wa fiansa na bibi wona me hu so be quotation be about it but no ba say trust em nan kan ya ade ba ko say iti kan erere medical aspect say menya gynecology but in gynecology people say question the next interview no yeah, ebe kan wasna no say ebia so be na wo sa hygienically no so be na wo say we sa enkofa ha obi amre wo ana what I say and yenum na juma yenu to me na say nipa bi mo ye honhom adwuma no de ye woni am akoma yenu na bi ensa bi wo no obi ebu nsa nya hwe but wo ahwe ye be am actually what was there because I mean you mamu nyima no nsiboni ho enye mma na tadi wonu but mum ye refuse say oba boso be so bi emoja free no and some moja ne free no so ba no nya
de pa
nti say obi kofi obi asen so obi ankofi obi asen ba ko ya dan kan hwe wo nti me che dan kan ka say asofo mpanyifo me nas mum kan no so e bora e bia na valentine no mu no omu tichi different me tell you what me tichi sex you have even sex position ni that lot me tichi do ha nti e bit ma say in context into bracket bia na celebration no and bia obi ku say bibi na nipa no e chiri Because I saw like person boss on the Orthodox Church here na was nyan. Because here na so for me for na retreat invited me. And I'm quite. So quite am catch up say mini skirt e pa. We can the bishop pakubofu. Say no man for na what ni free. No baka. Na na catch say usu ye ko na pa no ka so nyan kan yi. Ma me asem kan e so I'm saying nipa bi kan se bi antam ka unnim ba bi odi asem ne kwan nyan. You can because a miniskirt a year must of yere, but a year must of yere on a bedroom. Because a man if you have one opinion, and the bad man if you want him refill who pressure upon ever 100 degrees on. That's what they want your banner bones of mammy for 7 or 2 tell me a shot I gave you not of mammy for 2 miniskirting, wash a short t-shirt be. Show your never nothing food, nothing no one. So for bar pressure now, woman about 10. I feel no mean a bomb. I think that's often a guy. She's often in our catching. Oh, my papa, no, I smoke. I feel often about cheering. I don't know. Catching. So, I want to out to be here. I also cry. No, me know what them are. What was in the Robert Ross? Just a Jovia. That's all. Come, mammy, from the tea, Bishop Nettie. But I want to be busy. And to make it a apostle, I'm a part of Cassim now. Nay, Valentine, no be Kobusa and Sam. And I'm on a cancer. But none of say you, baby, you know them.
Oh yes, I go for you, Reverend. I'm go for you, papa.
Supposing say, walk for bar, let me come go. No, may you walk for bar, no banana, no. Baby, and any gauge on the side. Do it. That was to say, the American won't many pints. Do be sana. And we also be able to be finished.
Yeah.
So I say,
I would tell my quarter so baby walk around seven. Ni I think we chili. Nti wo so yiye nsa ne ma no ansa na ba ni mu na
oba so I think we check them na no you the Kenya me say so there
papa you papa we say ya
obuza no we ya so you say you very yes
but norm of the deity
and see me person me hear medical back no the next interview but so we know can say Bible nkasantia na me hunu fom so bia so ni pa na so e kan body no
also utimi di oba no aduane ma wa ne chance no di sa atafrim
na ndem na nya aduane chance fa ya fa le tafe chance ye di sa
sane ko
ai
asani na ko an
ai sa ko no a wodon sa but ka say di ya atafrim a This nya aduane na fi di atafrim
but so person say wodon sa from sia woni mu an
na wonim say aduane so bi na sa atafrim na sa aduane me na me nya ne de na sa obi a wa we ntina 100 Ghana cedis we a for it pick e dey show sim say you sim dey na we na ntina me dey sit na so o sim dey sit ban
no it's the Reverend just go what interesting conversation we have here but and then baba etijawi aduma office ochra jawi adunde kwa bia e be sa ba dey ba chochoko but just to remind you sir on the 7th of March, Papa yene de mesre say yina we should come in our numbers. Aha, yina yemra enye kwan bia e wa bia. Eye bawro eye odru jache. Adako jache janche wono. Odru wona taxis wa.
My me be book is person. I don't know hwe
nti edo be bawo. Nyame adwa be hwe wonim anopa ne brabi. Never share a soon, a funu da hono, a soon I be soon and a very important be subi na afei yɛmfa eno yɛnkɔkora no koraa na afei wi a yɛbɛdom no akyi sikansa ɛho nso so no ɛdɔmmra na yɛmmɛka reverend akyi na animonyam hyɛ kɛsɛ ma reverend ame na wɔse
mame so me na nipa bi ase kakra mede aseda kɛseɛ paa ma evangelist na nyamekye
okay
miracle films ihu deɛ menka
ɔyɛ nipa o
papa awurade nhyira wo deɛ mɛka kyerɛ ɔno awurade nhyira papa panyimu yi ɛdi m'anim na ɔde me wurawura mpanyimfoɔ mu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ aboakɔsie yie ɛno a me koraa menya nnuro koraa na ɔduro na ɔso metwɛn ho ansa na mo aba woba papa nyankopɔn nhyira wo paa papa wei menim deɛ mɛka meba me na wɔtwe da US nta monya nnuri sɛ nkɔba Ghana ma me na wɔtwe da nti papa ɛtwa ticket firi US ba Ghana.
Wow.
What a love. Papa nyankopɔn nhyira paa. Na afei meda sɔfo Kofi Ususu abandenden.
Okay.
Abandenden. Wan so menhyia dan ni hyia da bato ka kyerɛ no fa sɛ on kan kyerɛ me sɛ obeba obegya me. Meda wase paa na mesada prophet Obrempong.
Okay.
Emmanuel K. Boachi.
Okay.
The Stacy so for Ojaba. Aku pun nhyira pa. Meda mo se Azuka. Amansie. Azuka.
Prophet Azuka.
Yeah. Any pa bia o mo di djuma boa me nyina so. Nyankopon nhyira obia.
Okay.
We dey me sheda kan no. Actually be head abobodi na.
Okay. Well, mama na wase wa bi pro to amane wa to ko. Busia for ayemfa musiri na munyina mase poko one TV no first time ya no subscribe na wa like ya comment na wa share notification bell adman fato or check video bi atuma wenye bi ayema me fast na bi ema my side TV and one na me na mo o ye bi aka papa ono so eni pase
akopon share
ayo
ya mami ati
oye nipa sɛ babenda na se sɛ na ɔno so boa ma production timi yɛ kama ya me adoma bi foforo bi a fresh ba e be sa de so me dey Kofi book akra mo ina
Book One TV.